In India, you are used to living with your parents, and that is a norm. Once you get to college, you still stay with your parents. There's a lot of dependency that you have on them. You are not necessarily required to work. Parents pay all the bills, most of the bills. You get like a fixed pocket money and you spend that with your friends for travel, etc. Here in the US, you're pretty independent, you're by yourself. When you earn, that small set of money, doesn't matter how small that amount is, it feels like an achievement. And I feel I did not have that back in India because it was a cultural difference. I was used to staying with my family and I did not need to do that, or I wasn't really encouraged to do that. I love being independent. I love working. I love that, you can try out different jobs, different internships and find out where your passion really is. And I think those are a few differences that I've seen coming from India to United States. When I'm not working, you will find me cooking because I'm a foodie. Anytime we find any new or viral recipes on TikTok or Instagram, we have to go and try them out. Number 2, I love playing with makeup products, trying out new looks, trying out new lipsticks that just launched in the market. And the third thing is I'm also a tech blogger. During COVID, I created my first makeup blog, which was focused on makeup and beauty. About after a year or so, I realized that this beauty blogging is very different from my day-to-day life. And it got to a stage where I was enjoying it, but I was not having fun with it. I asked myself, what else am I good at? What else am I already doing, which is more focused towards tech and my work domain? I was mentoring a lot of people and mentoring made me really happy. Why not convert this passion of blogging into tech blogging and start mentoring people on a larger scale? On Women's Day, I actually created my Instagram channel, which was my first technical blog, where I started sharing a lot about cloud computing, about how I transitioned into a solution architect role, how others can do that coming from a non-tech background. And that's how, my tech blog came to life. The content that I create is seen by students. It is seen by early career people and mid-career people. Students reach out to me all the time saying, I want to work at Google. How do I do that? I want to work in cloud computing. I want to learn data analytics. How do I do that? And I get similar questions which are more career focused from early and mid-career people as well. Now, I have created long form videos, short form videos that have helped people. And if you were to go and check the comments on my YouTube, you will see some comments saying, this was really helpful. This course really helped me learn cloud computing for free. This training really helped me learn data analytics for free. When I hear these comments from people that my content, the time and energy that I spent in creating this content has helped someone, has helped them learn something, get a little closer to their career goals, it makes me really happy and it gives me a lot of satisfaction. I love what I'm doing. I love that I'm also helping people, and I want to continue all these efforts and take them forward so that I can reach more amount of people and be more helpful with my tech blogging. One advice I have for all the women out there who are either in tech or trying to break into tech is don't self-reject. A lot of times, people reach out to me and they ask me, hey Sonakshi, can you refer me for the job? But what happens is after the referral, they do not follow through. And I think one of the reasons after speaking to people I mentor, I realized is somewhere in the process, they believe that they are not worthy of working in that big tech company like Google or Amazon. They just feel, I'm not ready. I don't know enough, or I don't have a degree yet, or I think, I'll fail those interviews. I will bomb those interviews. So I can't really, move forward with it. They tend to self-reject themselves before the company can reject them. So my advice to you would be, please do not do this. Take huge risks, fail fast and fail often. Because if you are not failing, that means you're not trying something new out and you're not moving out of your comfort zone. If you fail, see that as a sign of progress. Pat yourself on the back, tell yourself, hey, at least I tried and I deserve kudos for that. And I'm sure with this fail fast attitude, you will one day crack your dream job in that dream company.